I just came here to talk about Thoda Sa Vision Board and 2025 and 6 both. I just want to reflect on 2025 first. If you are following me on Instagram, you know that I only took two trips. वो एक को तो trip भी नहीं कर सकते हैं उसको because I went here and there थोड़ा सा. So एक trip I went to my hometown, that is Sikkim, and एक trip I went to Dehradun and Mussoorie last year. That was around mid of 2025. I went to Dehradun and Mussoorie, and after that I went to my hometown. That was a tour trip, which I feel it is like very less, है ना, क्योंकि 3-4 तो कर ही लेना चाहिए. There were many holidays in between, but I did not. So I did not utilize my holidays properly. That is one thing. So this year, at least I am going to utilize it properly for myself. Last year, I feel like I did not think about me a lot. It was all about giving, providing. So this year it's going to be थोड़ा सा I want to include myself this year. और मेरे लिए मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, जो भी मैं चाहती हूँ. मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या चाहती हूँ अभी, बट जो भी मन करेगा मैं खुद के लिए करना चाहती हूँ this year. Last year with my finance, I went all digital. I was using phone ka hi note app to write every single expenses like groceries, rent, electricity, my travel, my food, savings, money that I sent home or I spent on myself. That all these things I've written this year. This one is for finance and this one is for my feelings and everything. This two दोनों ही मुझे ना मतलब vendors ने लेके दिए थे. So I thought like why not utilize this one rather than buying new one. I want to have more savings this year. I want to have more savings. I am very good. I am in a very good alignment. ठीक चल रहा है, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, बढ़िया चल रहा है. But I want to increase everything little more without like disturbing my peace of mind. And already started writing this for this month, actually not this year. For this month I've already started writing. It feels good actually. तुम लिख रहे हो, तुमको पता चल रहा है तुम्हारा एक पैसा कहाँ जा रहा है. That makes you feel क्या बोलूँ, थोड़ा responsible and makes you aware like तुम्हारा कितना पैसा बच गया, कहाँ जा रहा है, कैसे जा रहा है. So it makes you aware for next month कि हाँ यहाँ नहीं रहना ऐसा वैसा. So I know if you guys are like at मेरा age का हो and then if you are responsible for a lot of things, you are doing this. I know घर में बैठ के सब लोग कर रहे हैं. So yeah, that is one thing. I've already started working for my career. This year I have got little more clarity on which direction I want to move, which I do not want to announce it now or in near future. But जब होगा, जिस दिन होगा ना, मैं पक्का बताऊंगी आपको. And you guys will know if you are following me on Instagram or LinkedIn or anywhere in my social sites. This information I'll pass it. Okay, I'll pass it to you all. So career wise भी हो गया. I'm little bit with my aligning with my path and all of that thing. Friends and family and closeness, I want to keep my circle very tight this year because last I'm a person who is very open to everybody and I do not want to like be only exclusive friends with someone. But life has taught me in a hard way that you have to be exclusive with people because not everybody deserves to be in your inner circle. So this year it's going to be a little more about like tightening, cutting down people and being in my like small shell for my peace, mental peace, to save my mental peace. So my shell is going to be small, thoda sa chota hoga, and then with a lot of love and harmony. Yeah, peace of course. And I am going to prioritize peace, and yeah, that those things are in my vision and mission and everything around me. I want soft love, and yeah, those are the things that I've thought of as of now. But in near future, I might have more and more goals. Of course, it's human nature. We have to have goals to move forward. And after, like when you achieve it or gain that, it makes us feel happy. And fitness wise, I was in a very bad condition. Because last year, बहुत ज़्यादा weight loss हुआ. I don't know for what reason, but my weight like went here. And I was like malnutritious. I was looking like malnutritious. But था नहीं ऐसा, but दिखती थी मैं ऐसा, बहुत weight loss हो गए. But and my goal for last year was to hit 60 kg at least. So that I think so I have gained. I was around 58 when I last checked my weight. So this year I want to be, if I'm 60, I want to maintain my weight and all the fitness. वैसे भी मेरे को बहुत दर्द होता है पीछे. I don't know for what reason. Maybe for sitting posture and all of that. Like I use my phone and like मैं ऐसे करके bed में phone ही use करती रहती हूँ. If I'm 60, I'll try to maintain this weight for a whole year. If I'm not, I'm again going to try hard to gain weight and make it up to 60. So that is my goal. I do not want 6 abs. I do not want to have a hot body, but I want to have a thoda sa fit body and mind, of course. Body ke sath, whenever I used to go to gym, a lot of clarity, like peace of mind used to be there. So that I want to continue. So thoda sa fitness and all that thing. I am going to write my feelings more. Last year I cried like anything, like I cried in front of so many people. I don't know why I cried, but I was like emotionally so weak last year. And last year when I think and सोचती हूँ ना कि क्या क्या हुआ था, it was all for good of course, but मैं सोचती हूँ ना कि क्या हुआ था, it was full of hustle. Like I do not remember एक दिन जिसमें मैंने शांति से बैठ के अच्छे से खाया हो और खुश हुई हूँ मैं. All full of hustle, okay, but of course that was meant to be part of my life. That's why I had to go through all that. All positive, okay, all positive. मेरे को किसी को कुछ बुरा नहीं बोलना, किसी को गाली नहीं देना है, मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ ऐसे भी नहीं बोलना है. Because with that being said, like with that being experienced, I have a lot of changes within myself, and I've like realized कि जो होना है वो होगा ही, and whatever happens, it happens for good. So that was the thing. And वो office का shift and all was like full of like all moment. सुबह उठ के जाना, and then you are like stressing out कि तुमको रात को नींद क्यों नहीं आ रही, because you have to wake up early in the morning, 6 in the morning, and then you have to cook and so many things. Like it's not easy to live in a city. It's not easy. It's not easy to live in a city. So managing all that was very stressful. And yeah, that happened with my mental thing. I am in a better place now, and 2026, as I said, I am going to be investing on myself more. Me to hoga, but not selfish wala me, but a little love for myself. And I want to be thoda sa slow. I want to slow down. I want to be soft this year. Yeah, I want to be soft and I want to be slow. Thoda sa pyar se. Like more of a feminine energy, not like a masculine. You're not running like anything and you're like hustling like anything. I want to be thoda soft and feminine energy. I want to increase that in me. I do not want to compare myself this year. Oh God, please. It's a human nature. I know we compare, but I do not want to compare. I do not want to compare, and I'm going to have a pretty good year this year. I feel like, yeah, with a lot of positivity and a lot of love. This year is all about love for me, love and love for my friends, love for my family, my near and dear ones, love for everybody, harmony, peace, softness. This year is going to be all about that. And if in future, if I made a vision board, I do not have plan to make a big vision board because I stay in a shared accommodation. I stay with my flatmates, so I do not want to make vision board and chipkaufy somewhere else. But in near future, I'm planning to put it in this diary somewhere. I've written things here. तो I've written few things here. So in future अगर मैं कुछ चिपकाती हूँ उसमें कुछ करती हूँ तो I am surely gonna be showing you all, of course. मैं तो दिखाऊंगी वाला situation. So yeah, I am going to show you guys, of course. So that is it for a quick update. मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगी. Bye.